Do you know what fruits and vegetables can help fight cancer? Today, we're diving into the world of produce, where powerful antioxidants and vital nutrients reside. These aren't just your everyday snacks, they're your body's secret weapons in the battle against cancer. Think of them as your personal health superheroes, armed with the power to protect and defend. So let's embark on this journey together, exploring the power of nature's bounty in combating one of humanity's greatest health challenges. Stay tuned to unveil the top cancer-fighting fruits and vegetables. Fruits are not just delicious, they're also your allies in the fight against cancer. Imagine the humble berry, packed with antioxidants that strengthen your immune system. Then, there's the citrus family, brimming with vitamin C, a powerful protector. And don't forget the apple, a fiber-filled fruit with an extra dose of vitamin C. Each of these fruits plays a unique role helping your body ward off cancer. So, next time you're at the grocery store, remember, these fruits are more than just tasty treats. Now that's a fruitful fight against cancer. Next in line to join the fight are vegetables, packed with nutrients that can keep cancer at bay. Let's start with broccoli, a powerhouse of sulforaphane, a compound known to stunt cancer cell growth. Then there's spinach, brimming with lutein, a carotenoid that guards against cell damage. And let's not forget tomatoes, filled to the brim with lycopene, a mighty antioxidant that battles against free radicals. Each vegetable is a small but mighty hero, fighting for your health. Vegetables, your green warriors against cancer. Now we know our food can be our armor in the battle against cancer. The fruits and vegetables we've explored are powerhouses of nutrients that can help protect our bodies. They are not just food, but fuel that arms our cells with the strength to resist and fight off cancer. A balanced diet, rich in these cancer-fighting fruits and vegetables, is a proactive step towards a healthier, cancer-resistant body. Remember, your plate is your battlefield. Choose your weapons wisely, and you'll stand a better chance in the fight against cancer.